everyone! You can see many freelancing jobs in websites like Upwork.com, fiverr.com, etc. But in this video, I'm going to introduce a job where you can earn around 300 rupees to 800 or even more in just a few minutes, and you don't even have to have any skills for doing this job. You are wondering which is that job, right? It is called product background removing. That means you will have to remove the background of the photos that your client provides you. You may have noticed in shopping sites like Amazon that their products are all having a white background. To sell our products in sites like Amazon, it is necessary to have a product photo with white background. But many sellers would have taken their product photos with attractive backgrounds and professional edits. In that case, they will have to bear a huge cost to remove the background with the help of professional editors. So usually, they give this work to the freelancers. And this is the job we are going to take up and do very easily. As you see here, all photos are having white background. You may think that it is very difficult to do this, but in fact, it's very simple. You can do this in few seconds without even having knowledge about Photoshop or any professional photo editing softwares. You don't even need to know photography because here we are not required to take photos or edit or retouch photos. Only thing you have to do here is remove the background of the high quality pictures provided by your client. So let's look how to do this background removing job in few seconds. You can use free tools like Removebg, Canva, PixArt, etc. to easily remove the background of the images. Here, I'm going to show you an example of a background removing site called Removebg. You just need to upload the photo into this site and it will automatically generate background removed photo in a click. See how professional and perfect it looks. You can also edit this photo. Many backgrounds are available, or you can choose solid colors too. So I'm selecting white background here and then just download it. And that's it. So we learned how to remove the background very easily. Now let me show you freelancing jobs in fiverr.com. First of all, log into fiverr.com and then search Amazon product background remove. See the prices: 387 rupees, 773 rupees. These are the prices charged for removing background. One thing you need to note in these kind of websites is that it will be difficult for you to get works at the very beginning. So if you are joining for the first time, I recommend you to offer your services at a very low price and take up more works. And gradually, you may increase it according to the works you get. So if you haven't started an account in websites like Fiverr, Upwork or Freelancer, you may start it today itself so that you will get more works after a few months. So I hope you got an idea of how to make money by doing background removing jobs. To get more information related to online money making, you may join our free internship Yuva Atmanirbhar project. In this internship, you will learn how to make money by sitting at home. IPSR started this project with an aim to make 1 lakh students self-reliant through this internship. You will be learning about social media marketing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, etc. And in addition to that, you will have an opportunity to earn according to your performance. You will also get project guidance from our well-experienced digital marketing team. Yarn Project is an internship program and this is absolutely free. You don't need to spend money for this internship. To become a part of this program, you just need to fill the registration form shown over here and submit it. So, click on the link given in the description below and become a part of this exciting opportunity to enhance your skills. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.